Hi guys, my husband and I did a couple of things over the long weekend and we recorded some clips, so I thought that I'd share with you guys. Last Saturday we went down to Sydney to meet up with our friends and we tagged along with them to this Indian cultural festival called Navratri, which is also known as the 9 Nights Festival. And it's during this festival that they do the famous Garba and Dandiya Ras dance, and it's those dances where you use those sticks. And yeah, see if you can spot yours truly trying to attempt to do those dances. Anyways, Sunday we went down to the beach, but we didn't do any vlogging then because we were too busy playing in the waters. On Monday, we went to the Glenrock Conservation State Area. We did some trail walking, and the trail walks there was okay. We did the medium ones because the harder ones were closed due to the forest fires. We only managed to do the medium ones and it was okay, it wasn't too bad. It was easy enough. I would have preferred to try out the harder ones, but too bad. But the scenery was absolutely amazing. It was breathtaking, and I took a few clips of the scenery, so I hope you guys can enjoy it. I'll stop rambling and I'll let the video do all the talking. And if you enjoyed this video, thumbs up, leave a comment if you feel like it, and subscribe if you want to. Bye!
Well, I see trees of green and red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue, clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. And I hear babies cry, and as I watch them grow, they learn so much more than I'll ever know. So I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful